Okay guys, if you see my last video, it was me disappearing, which I'll probably show you how to do it in my next video. But right now, I got a playdoh surprise egg. So I'm gonna go ahead and open that. It isn't like toys or anything, but like, well, it's a toy, but so let's dig into it. I'll take it over here. Look at that. What do you think it is? Looks like something red. Start to see it even more. Whoa. That's what it was. That's what that surprise egg was. It was the mankind mask. So I will go get my McFoley figure. And that was my cat who just ran by, so if you remember, that is my McFoley figure. So now, see if the tomb and the mankind, see if the mask fits him. Oh yeah, look at that. That's, yep. So now that's my video. So please comment, like, and subscribe for my later video. Bye.